The mobile network not available error on Assurance Wireless typically means your phone can't connect to the network. This is often due to registration issues, network outages, or problems with your SIM card. First, ensure you've qualified for Lifeline and completed registration on the Assurance Wireless website or app. Invalid eligibility proofs or expired registrations can cause this error. Re-verification might be needed. Next, check for any network outages in your area via the Assurance Wireless outage map or by calling 1-888-898-4888. Outages can stem from carrier maintenance like Verizon's upgrades, weather, or equipment failures. Finally, your SIM card could be the issue. Physical damage, incorrect insertion, or an outdated SIM can disrupt connectivity. Replacement SIM cards are available from Assurance Wireless for $0 to $10. This error is more common on Android devices, especially during network upgrades, and is being actively tracked by Assurance Wireless, which reported 99.9% uptime in 2025. To fix the mobile network not available error, start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device, toggle airplane mode on and off, and ensure your phone is unlocked. Check your APN settings. For MMS, it should be set to Virgin Mobile. If these steps don't work, contact Assurance Wireless support for advanced diagnostics. The Assurance Wireless app now has AI-driven troubleshooting to help resolve common issues and reduces support call times. As of 2025, fixes emphasize app-based diagnostics and SIM card replacements, with Assurance Wireless offering free SIM kits via mail or retail partners. If you suspect a registration issue, upload updated income documents through the app. Be aware of potential rural outages, which affected over 50,000 users in early 2025, prompting Assurance Wireless to issue credits and prioritize SIM replacements. A pilot program involving secure SIM activation for 10,000 users reduced such errors by 40%. While 5G ubiquity is expected by 2026, proactive monitoring and user education on cellular fundamentals remain crucial. Telecom experts note that the majority of fixes involve user-side actions, while a smaller percentage requires carrier intervention.